Are you trying to figure out the best way to analyze ad performance while maintaining a high standard of privacy? Conversion modeling can help get that done. Marketers used to be able to understand every step of the customer journey, from click to purchase. But measurement isn't as straightforward anymore due to shifts in people's expectations for privacy, global regulations, and tech platform standards. That said, you don't have to settle for gaps in your data. Conversion modeling helps you make sense of the data you have to solve for unknowns in the customer journey and maintain the accuracy of your measurement. So let's dig in on how conversion modeling can help. Simply put, conversion modeling helps you gain a more accurate and complete picture of your ad performance. 85% of digital media professionals say that the loss of accurate measurement is one of their top 3 challenges. And that's because observable data that makes your ads more relevant is limited. It could be due to, for example, people moving across devices or using different browsers. This is where conversion modeling can help. It uses machine learning to analyze various trends and signals, including your first-party data, to predict outcomes that would have otherwise gone unmeasured. Thanks to the insights you gain from conversion modeling, you can also optimize your campaigns more effectively. These insights act as signals for tools like smart bidding, enabling you to learn who your most valuable customers are so you can reach more relevant audiences and drive better results. Conversion modeling ensures that your measurement remains privacy safe. It works by filling in gaps that come from people's varying consent choices with machine learning insights. This way, you can continue to respect people's privacy while still gathering the insights you need to grow. 80% of advertisers are using or considering using machine learning to help with measurement in a privacy-safe world. It gives marketers like you the opportunity to meet people's privacy expectations and drive growth. So to review, conversion modeling helps you gain a more accurate picture of your ad performance. It helps you optimize your campaign more effectively, and it helps you maintain privacy-safe measurement. The great news is that conversion modeling is already built into many measurement solutions. By adding these tools to your toolkit today, you'll be working with the most accurate data so you stay ready for whatever's coming tomorrow. For more insights to help move your business forward, subscribe to Think with Google's YouTube channel, and definitely hit that notification bell so you're up on our latest content. Thanks for watching.